Hey, it's Sav with DIY with Sav. In today's video, I'm going to cover this simple little gadget. You might be wondering, what is this? It looks like an office clip or paperweight. But hey, I'll tell you what this is meant for. You see this little thing here? You know, when you're using a toothpaste and the first thing you wake up in the morning, ever wondered, my toothpaste is nearly over, but I'm still trying to extract the most out of it. For example, look at this paste here. It's nearly over. But then in the morning, I don't want to be spending time. And then sometimes when it's to the last and you wait for the last minute or the end hour, you're just stuck with trying to get the maximum out of it. And you'll be like, oh my gosh, I need to buy a new paste. But hey, I still want to use the last bits of it because I don't have time today to actually go to the store and buy a new toothpaste, right? This is when this gadget comes into play, and it's the most useful because you can actually get the most out of this toothpaste. And sometimes if you have kids, what the kids do is they start taking the toothpaste out from here when the whole tube is full, right? And then this whole section gets stuck and it's a mess. But nevertheless, I'm going to show you how to use this little nifty piece of kit. I am going to just attach this. It doesn't have teeth, but it's got a little slot here where you can, especially when the tube is nearly empty, fits perfectly like so. Can you see that? It fits perfectly into it. You just have to keep pushing it. So what this does is it squeezes the tube, or the toothpaste rather. It squeezes the toothpaste, little bits of toothpaste that's stuck in the bottom. It pushes it to the top. See that? You see that? Okay. So there you go. It's pushing it to the top. And look at this expand, right? Look at that. It's getting fuller and fuller. I have this much paste when I actually thought I just had a little bit of toothpaste remaining, but look how much toothpaste. This is full, this whole section here. It is full. Be careful when you're opening this little cap because there might be a little bit of air inside of it. So you don't want it to just, spray onto you, the toothpaste. This makes it so much easier to just press the tube from here and put it onto your toothbrush. And look at the toothpaste coming up. Look how much toothpaste I've actually saved. When I thought my tube was over, I can still get a good maybe 3 to 4 days out of this tube. So just wanted to make this quick video and show you how useful this little piece of kit is. And it's available at any store or online. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's DIY with Sav. Until next time, you take care and hope to speak to you soon in my next video. Bye for now. Happy tubing.